M2 class, you just remind me morning hours or afternoon hours. I will take more simultaneous.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
Tomorrow afternoon.
tomorrow I have exams there. So
Okay, let us see. First, I'm sending the paper. Which paper we are solving now? Oh, it's coming. Here we have two papers. One is 2023 model paper, and one other one is 21 paper. So you check it. The first question here in this model paper. The questions also will come in this pattern only. Question number 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G bit. Then question number 2, A bit, B bit. Question number 3, A bit, B bit, like that. So instead of wasting the time, we start question number 1. So now the question number 1. Question number 1, A bit. Everybody, those who joined just now, I want to remind that we are going to start a model paper series. 2021 paper we are going to be solved. So how the question paper pattern is: question number 1, you have A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Bits are there. Each bit will give you
Yes, sir.
2 marks each bit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 2, A bit, B bit again. That will give you 7 plus 7.
Yes, sir.
Now we start. Examine the convergence of the sequence. Examine the convergence of the sequence AN where this AN is equals to, here the AN value is 3 plus minus 1 whole to the power of n, minus 1 whole to the power of n. So writing the solution of this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, examine the convergence of the sequence where AN value is given already.
Yes.
So let us see the solution. We write the step number 1, given sequence is.
Yes.
Remember, it is not a series, it is a sequence.
sequence, yes, sir.
Okay, given sequence is,
Yes, sir.
given sequence is AN is equals to 3 plus
Recording in progress.
minus 1 whole to the power of n.
3 plus.
So what we will do to check whether it is convergence or divergent, we have to apply limit n tends to infinity on both sides.
Yeah.
So this we apply
Yes, sir.
directly limit n tends to infinity AN. So it means that the limit will goes to this term also totally. Limit n tends to
Yes, sir.
infinite 3 plus minus 1 whole to the power of,
minus 1 to the power n.
and then it is closed.
N.
So when applying a limit for the constant term, limit
Yes.
of the constant is constant itself, that is 3 itself, plus wherever n is there, we are going to put infinity, minus 1 whole to the power of infinity. Okay, n value will be changes to infinity. So
Yeah.
here you see the operation. If we apply any operation with the infinity, your answer will be infinity only. It means minus 1 whole power infinity is
Yes, sir.
infinity. Infinity plus 3 is again infinity. So the answer will be infinity. So what do you say?
Yes,
If your answer is infinity, therefore the sequence is divergent.
Yes, sir.
If suppose
Yes,
you
sir.
got any answer, no, then if you get any finite answer, don't sit here. Come on, go. Come on, move from here. Abdullah, come on, go from here. No need. क्लास चल रही है यहाँ पे नहीं बैठ सकते आप लोग. Come on, आप भी जाइए. Come on, go out. The sequence is, you can write not convergent or divergent. Choice is yours. Better I am writing not convergent.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is the solution of the first problem. Next time what I will do, will write the questions also. पहले questions मैं लिख लेके ready रहता हूँ. Then you can write the direct answers easily. We can move on. Now second question is,
Yes, sir.
the maybe it's a disturbance from Salah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Determine the nature of the series.
This is a series, no, sir?
Two. Question number 1. Okay. At the same time, I'll tell you which topic question it is. Question number 1 is from sequence and series. Even question number 2 also from sequence and series. Determine
Yes, sir.
the nature.
Yes, sir.
Determine the nature. जाइए बाहर जाइए आप लोग. Nature of series. Determine the nature of series. Summation n is equals to 1 to infinity. Summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. Here we have n to the power of 3 by 3 to the power of n. N to the power of 3 by 3 to the power of n. Okay. So anything power n means we have to apply Cauchy's nth root test only. Anything
Yes.
power n means Cauchy's nth root test only. Okay. Nth root test is applicable here. So the solution will be,
Yes, sir.
your first step will
Yes.
be, okay, first what is given here, you tell me. Given
Given un equals to
N
5.
no, first you write the
N cube
summation
by 3
value.
power.
N is equals to 1 to infinity. N to the power of 3 by
3n.
3 to the power of n. So next step you write summation value
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but un value. In this way we write, okay. Summation value
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but un value. Un value is what we have, n to the power of 3 by 3 to the power of n. So there are 3 steps in Cauchy's nth root test. Un value will be there. You have to apply un whole to the power of nth root, means positive nth root we have to apply. So let us moving to the
1
second
by
step.
n.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
we apply 1 by n on both sides. So like that, this is equals to
Yes, sir.
n to the power of 3 by 3 to the power of n, and this whole to the power of 1 by n. Right now,
Yes, sir.
whole to the power of 1 by n.
1
So
by n. Yes,
the
sir.
1 by n will goes to the numerator, and as well as 1 by n will goes to the denominator. So once it is goes to the denominator, numerator, it is becomes 3 by n, correct?
Yes, sir.
When will goes to the denominator, n and n cancel, we are left with 3 only.
Yes, sir.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now the third step is we have to apply limit n tends to infinity on both sides. Limit n tends to infinity, un to the power of 1 by n. It is equal to, since 1 by 3 is a constant, we can pull it out. Limit n goes to infinity, n goes to infinity, this term can also be write like this, n power 1 by n whole to the power of 3, we can write like this, becomes 3n only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is 1 by 3 as it is. And we know that n limit n tends to infinity, n power 1 by n is nothing but 1. I'll write it here, that formula. Limit n tends to infinite, n to the power of 1 by n value is equals to 1 only. 1 only means this part value is 1. 1 to the power of 3 means what? 1 only now again?
Yeah,
One
yes.
only. Yes.
1 only. So we got the answer is 1 by 3. 1
Yes.
by 3 is strictly less than 1. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So by Cauchy's nth root test, we can say that the given series convergent. यहाँ पे देखिए less than में convergent है, right ना?
Yes,
Cauchy's
sir. Less
nth
than
root test में
convergent.
less than में convergent होता, greater than में नहीं. So by आप लोग मेरे को इंडिविजुअली फीडबैक दीजिए इसका, ये मॉडल पेपर्स जो अपन कर रहे हैं वो आपके लिए रियली बेनिफिटेड है या नहीं है. बाय कॉचीज nth रूट टेस्ट,
Okay, sir.
नहीं बोलता हूं मैं, यूनिट वाइज करता हूं. बाय कॉचीज nth रूट टेस्ट समेशन un
Yes.
कन्वर्जेंट. इससे बेनिफिट ये हो सकता है आपको कि आपको एग्जाम में जो पेपर्स डिफरेंट स्टाइल के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा, उसको भी मैं आपको आइडिया दे सकता हूँ कि कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. तो
जी, सर.
लेटेस्ट पेपर है, लेटेस्ट पेपर भी क्वेश्चंस भी रिपीट होते, कुछ तो भी क्वेश्चन कंपलसरी रिपीट होते. ये बी बिट हो
Yes,
गया.
sir.
नाउ सी बिट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का सी बिट विच इज फ्रॉम यूनिट 2. द क्वेश्चन इज
Yes, sir.
using Lagrange's mean value
Lagrange's
theorem, using Lagrange's mean value theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem,
Sure.
using Lagrange's mean value theorem, show that modulus of cos b minus cos a, cos b minus cos a is less than or equal to modulus of b minus a. अच्छा देखिए, ये क्वेश्चन u और v में भी हो सकता, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी हो सकता, cos u modulus of cos
Yes,
u
sir.
minus cos v less than or equal to u minus v under the mod. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन आपको u में भी हो सकता, ये क्वेश्चन आपको कैपिटल A और कैपिटल B में भी हो सकता, ये क्वेश्चन आपको P और Q में भी हो सकता. ठीक है ना? तो ये
Yes,
क्वेश्चन
sir.
आप डिफरेंट स्टाइल में कैसा भी पूछ सकता. तो सॉल्यूशन, so the solution is here, actually we should know the statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem here. What is the statement? F of x is continuous. देखिए मैं स्टेटमेंट पढ़ रहा हूँ एक बार. F of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b. F of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b. Okay, and then there exists a point c belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. इसके लिए आपको मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है? We required f of x value. Understood? We required
Yes,
f
sir.
of x value. f of x यहाँ पे नहीं है ना, but it is in terms of
Yes,
cost.
sir.
We assume that our f of x value is also equal to cos x, and there is no interval given. We are going to assume a general interval, that is a comma b. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir. Yes, sir.
condition number 1 and condition number 2 together we write. Okay, let me do it one thing. काम करेंगे यहाँ पे f dash of x भी फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे पहले. No sound. Okay, so f dash of x, what is f dash of x? What is the derivative of cos x? Of course it is minus sin x, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus sin
Derivative
x.
of cos x is minus sin x. And you should remember one more important thing. The range of sin x. The range of sin x should be less than or equal to 1. sin x की वैल्यू मोर देन 1 नहीं हो सकती. क्यों नहीं हो सकती बोलिए? 0, 1/2, 1/√2, √3/2, 1 है ना. मालूम है वैल्यूज? फर्स्ट टेबल वैल्यूज एसएससी में पढ़े ना. टेबल की फर्स्ट वैल्यू 0 sin 0
sir.
0 sin 45 degree 1/√2 sin which sin 90 degree वो less than or equal to 1. Okay, so we write the statement together here. f of x and f dash of x are continuous and differentiable on close interval a comma b and open interval a comma b respectively.
Yes.
ओपन इंटरवल a comma b respectively के लिए मैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज कर रहा हूँ RESPLY. Okay, we don't have the time to write full form. Respectively. So then there exists, ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? I am writing the statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Actually there exists
Yes,
a
sir.
point
C.
there exists a point C belongs
C.
to a comma b such that बोल तो ये पूरे symbolic form में लिखना. देखो, such that
Yes, sir.
f dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a, f of b minus f of
F of
a
A.
by b minus a. This is the statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now अब
Yes,
आप
sir.
देखिए, moving on. F dash of x is sin c. If f dash of x is sin c minus sin c, what about f dash of c becomes minus only sin c now?
Sin C.
Yes, sir.
Sin c only. Okay. If f of x is cos x, then what is f of b becomes? Cos b. Right?
Yes, sir.
Cos
Yes.
b minus cos a by b minus a. Right? After that, taking modulus
sir.
on both sides. Modulus we are taking on both sides. Minus sin c under mod is equals to, we are going to take the modulus on both sides. This is cos b minus cos a by b minus
B
a
minus.
under mod close. And we know that modulus
Yes.
of any negative value will become positive now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So we left with we are left with the sin c here. We are left
Yes,
with
sir.
sin c here. This is sin c value is equal to, we apply the modulus for numerator and as well as we apply the modulus for denominator. Cos b minus
Denominator.
cos a by modulus of b minus a. Right? Right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
instead of writing sin c, ये sin c को अपन चाहे तो ये साइड भी लिख सकते हैं ना, यहाँ से निकाल देंगे. We can also write this value here now is equal to sin c.
Yes, sir.
Same meaning now.
Yes.
Correct, eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But already we know that this sin c value, range of sin x is less than or equal to 1. Cos b
Yes.
minus cos a by modulus of b minus a less than or equal to 1. If you cross multiply, what happened? Modulus of cos b minus cos a is less than or equal to modulus of b minus
B
a.
minus.
That is our solution of say second C bit ना. हाँ देखिए, प्रूफ हो गया. सेकंड बिट लेस देन और इक्वल टू b माइनस.
जी सर.
ठीक है ना. सलाम अफजल, क्या हुआ आपके पास से? डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा.
नहीं आ रहा सर, वैसे डिस्टर्बेंस.
ये आवाज कहाँ से आ रही थी? कंटिन्यूअसली आवाज आ रही.
इधर से तो नहीं आ रही सर।
ठीक है, राइट, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है। चलिए, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट debit. debit is the question again. It is from third unit actually. यहाँ पे थर्ड यूनिट का क्वेश्चन है ये debit, और ये टॉपिक है टोटल डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट्स में से एक क्वेश्चन। द क्वेश्चन
यस
इज
सर।
if f of x comma y is a function of two variable, this is equal to x cos y plus e power x sin y comma, yeah, f is a function of two variable and here x is a function of one variable, that is x value is t square plus 1, comma, y is also a function of one variable only, that is t cube plus 1. Now we have to find out, then find out df by dt at t is equal to 0. अच्छा देखिए, पहले क्वेश्चन को ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन। टोटल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का क्वेश्चन है बोल के कैसा बोल सकते हैं आप? अब यहाँ देखिए, आप सोल्यूशन में मैं बताता हूँ आपको। f इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल, f में दो फंक्शन के वेरिएबल से, एक x का है एक y का है, एंड x इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ अनदर वेरिएबल थर्ड। मतलब क्या है? f इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ टू वेरिएबल x एंड y, again x is a function of another variable t, y is also a function of another variable t। मतलब f को x और y की रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करके डायरेक्टली थर्ड वेरिएबल t की रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करने को टोटल डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट बोलते हैं। ठीक है, तो वही पूछ रहा हूं आपसे यहाँ पे df by dt की वैल्यू, मतलब ये दो वेरिएबल को छोड़ के डायरेक्ट थर्ड वेरिएबल को डिफरेंशिएट करो बोल, ऐसा जो वर्क करते हैं अपन, दैट इज कॉल्ड टोटल डिफरेंशियल कोएफिशिएंट्स। तो उसकी वैल्यू कैसा निकालते पहले वो देख लीजिए। df by dt value, how to get that value? You see, f is a function of how many variables? Two variables, no? More than one?
Two.
Okay,
Yes,
ना? More
sir.
than one है ना? f में कितने वेरिएबल्स है पापा? बोलिए, सब लोग हम बोलिए।
X Y 2 है।
टू है, टू वेरिएबल्स है। टू वेरिएबल मतलब मोर देन वन। मोर देन वन बोल तो
Yes.
दो सिंबल आता, डो एफ बाई
Yes,
डो
sir.
एक्स, डो एफ बाई डो एक्स इंटू एक्स में कितने फंक्शन है? एक ही है ना? इसमें एक ही है, तो डी एक्स बाई डी टी
Yes, sir.
प्लस डो एफ by we have another variable that is y also there, dou f by dou y into dy by dt, right?
Yes, sir.
अगर मान लो इसमें एक और वेरिएबल रहता f x कामा y कामा z, तो यहाँ पे प्लस और एक आता था dou f by dou z into dx by dt, समझिए ना? अगर मान लो x में भी अगर मोर देन वन वेरिएबल आता, t1 के साथ साथ
Yes.
और एक कुछ वेरिएबल रहता, तो यहाँ पे अपन d नहीं यूज करके फिर से डो यूज करते। क्लियर ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसको बना देंगे अपन इक्वेशन नंबर 1। नाउ वी रिक्वायर्ड दिस वैल्यूज, ये वैल्यूज की जरूरत है आपको, दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन एंड दिस वन। लेट अस फाइंड आउट दिस वैल्यूज एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट, एंड लास्ट में t 0 कर दिए तो खत्म हो जाता है काम। अब देखिए वन बाय वन कर रहा हूं मैं। वी रिक्वायर डो f by dou x वैल्यू। व्हाट इज f वी हैव?
X comma Y.
x कामा y, वो वैल्यू क्या है? x cos y, कम ऑन, प्लस
E power x sin y.
sin y।
Sin y.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now f we have to differentiate with respect to x करना है, so dou f by dou x with respect
Yes.
to x, so x becomes 1,
Yes, sir.
x का with respect to x becomes 1, cos y is a constant as it is, plus e power x का differentiation e power x ही होता, sin
Yes,
y
sir.
will be constant as it is, so dou f by dou x is over. Similarly we have to find out
Yes.
dou f by dou y value also with respect to y
Yes, sir.
also. with respect to y means x is a constant as it is. Cos y का differentiation
sir.
का minus sin y.
Yes. -1.
Yes. Plus e power x again it is a constant. Sin y differentiation is cos y. तो ये दो पार्ट्स हो गए देखिए dou f by dou x, dou f by dou y की वैल्यूज हो गए आगे ना.
Yes, sir.
अभी
Yes,
अपने को क्या चाहिए x का with respect to t चाहिए. What is x we have? T square
T square plus 1.
plus 1 we have. Now we require dx by dt here. Dx by dt. What is the answer? 2t only ना. T
Yes,
square
sir.
का 2t. What is y
Yes, sir.
value? T cube plus 1. Now dy
Yes,
by
sir.
dt. This one we have to differentiate with respect to t. T cube differentiation is 3t square. Got it all the values?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
पूरे values आते कि substitute in 1 कर दीजिए पूरा. Substitute in 1. These all values substituting in equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes df by dt is equal to first value dou f by dou x का आंसर क्या है यहाँ पे है ना cos y 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है cos y plus
Plus
e power x
sin
sin
y.
y e power x sin y into along with this all क्या है भाई dx by dt that answer is 2t ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Plus dou f by dou y value is this one ना minus x sin y. बोलिए आप लोगों को आंसर भी चाहिए मेरे को minus x sin
Minus
y
x sin y plus
plus
e to the power x cos y.
yes e
Cos
to
y.
the power of x cos y into this value is 3
3t square.
ठीक है ना. At what point
Yes.
it is required to find out? At t is equal to बोलिए
Zero.
t is equal to 0 ना. अगर t
Yes,
0
sir.
रख दिया अपन तो पूरा काम क्या हो जाता है यहाँ पे
0.
0 हो जाता खत्म.
0. Yes, sir.
Because t 0 into anything is 0. Here t
Zero.
0
Yes.
0 into anything is 0. So your answer will be 0. Shortcut में आंसर आ गया. Understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Now moving
Yes,
to the
sir.
question E bit. E bit again ये third unit में से है. Question E bit again is from third unit. ये है आपका E bit. Question है if z is equal to x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube minus 3
3
sorry not
AXY.
x, it is axy. Please no more disturbance. 3 axy. Then find see how many values are required. Amtur Rahman, go close the door. Dou square z by dou x square comma dou square z by dou x into dou y comma dou square z by dou y square. ठीक है ना.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we'll do this question after a short break. ठीक है.
Okay,
After a
sir.
short break we'll do this question.
Okay, sir.